In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address on NerdWallet, whether you're updating your contact information to a new address or simply reorganizing your personal data. This guide will seamlessly walk you through the process. Let's dive straight in to ensure your NerdWallet account is updated efficiently and correctly. First things first, you'll need to head over to the NerdWallet website. Open your preferred web browser and type in www.nerdwallet.com, then hit enter. Once there, you should see the homepage filled with a wealth of resources and financial tools designed to help you make smarter financial decisions. Now, your next step is to locate the My NerdWallet section. Typically, you'll find this on the upper right-hand side of the page. Clicking on My NerdWallet takes you deeper into your personal profile area, which houses all your account settings and personal data. Upon clicking, you may be prompted to log in if you aren't already. Go ahead and enter your login credentials. Remember, it's crucial to ensure your login information is both secure and memorable. Using a password manager can be a helpful tool if you have difficulty keeping track of complex passwords. Once you're logged in, your attention should now be on the dashboard. Here, your next action is to locate and click on the highlight area. This section might not immediately pop out, but with a bit of careful navigation around the options, you'll stumble upon it. Clicking here will guide you to a more nuanced section of your account settings. Now let's move over to the settings section. This is where all the magic happens. The settings menu is your go-to for making any changes or updates to your account. It might take a moment to scan through the menu, but once found, a click will open up a range of options for you. Now at this point, you're exactly where you need to be to edit or change your email account. Within the settings page, look for the option that allows you to edit your email address. You should see a field that displays your current email address, and right beside it, the option to make changes. Simply click it, and you'll be able to enter your new email address. Double check for any typos because precision here ensures smooth future logins and communications. Once you've entered your new email address, make sure to save your changes. Check if there are any confirmation steps required, like an email verification sent to your new address. Completing this will solidify the change. And there you have it. Your NerdWallet account should now be linked to the updated email address. Keeping your contact information current is essential for receiving updates and managing your financial health efficiently. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide was helpful. Feel free to drop any questions or comments you might have below.